Hi everybody, Erica Serwin here from Pink Buckaroo Designs, and I am excited to show you my next class for September 2019. This is the Snowman season class to go. Included in this class are 6 what I consider over-the-top, adorable cards featuring these adorable little snowmen from the Snowman season stamp set. Now, if you've ordered a class to go from me before, you know how it goes. I order everything. I cut, pack, ship, type up the directions. I mail the kits to you, and I email the PDF to you. This time, we're going to do it a little bit different, and really, I'm doing it different for several reasons. First of all, before I tell you all of that, I do want to also tell you that this is a fundraiser class. That's kind of why I'm doing the ordering a little different. My father, unfortunately, has dementia, Alzheimer's, and let me tell you guys, it stinks. If you have had a family member with Alzheimer's or dementia, you know how just terrible it is. I mean, there's no word really to describe what it does to them. It's also terrible for the caregiver. I've decided to do this whole class. All the proceeds from this class are going to go to Alzheimer's research. My father, unfortunately, has the terrible disease, and my mom is his full-time caregiver. So instead of just feeling helpless all the time, I decided to do something, and I'm going to donate the money to the research to hopefully find a cure so that no more families have to go through this. It is just the worst. But that's what my original desire for this class was, to raise money for the Alzheimer's research. So things are a little bit different. As you notice, there's a host code. This time, you're not going to email me and say, send me the registration link. You're going to actually, you don't need to register at all. All you have to do is put in your order and use the host code. That is your registration for the class. At the end, I close the host code, and everyone who's listed in that order will get this class kit for free. Yeah, for free. I'm going to mail it to you for free, and all the supplies are free. So what do you have to do? What do you have to order? Well, it's super cute, and you're going to absolutely love it. The Snowman Season Bundle. I'm sure you've seen samples online already. This is going to be a huge seller. The stamp set and the coordinating punch together are $32.25, a pretty reasonable bundle. You're also going to need to order the embellishment kit. The embellishment kit is so cute, and it's what really takes this kit up to the next level. It has these felt pieces you can see here, along with the epoxy nose and arms and the little coal eyes. So you have to have this kit. So these are the 2 things that you'll order with your host code. And as soon as I pull that list out and I see that you've done that, you're getting all of these for free. And I'm also going to send you the snow paint for free. The snow paint, it's called Snowfall Accents Puff Paint. That's the official word. But it makes this amazing 3D embossed, really, I don't know, that's not the right word, puffy paint. And you use a heat tool. You apply it and use a heat tool. Your class to go is going to include a video tutorial showing you how to use it, showing you how to create your cards, as well as a PDF with all the measurements and everything you'll need in case you want to recreate these again. Okay, so let me tell you some details. I'm going to move these out of the way. All of this is over on my blog, so you can run over there, click the link on the video, and get the full details. You will need to order the Snowman Season Bundle and the embellishment kit. Now, by the way, if you're watching this today on the day I film it, September 3rd, you have to wait because the holiday catalog isn't live until September 4th, okay? So you order those 2 things. The total comes to $43.25 before tax and shipping. Now, let's say you've already ordered the bundle. You already have the embellishment kit. You don't need either of them, but you want the make and takes. Well, then you order anything you want. Anything you want. I don't care what you order. What qualifies you to get the free class to go and the free puff paint is your total. So your order total has to be $43.25 at least. Okay, and that's before shipping and before tax. And it must use this host code. It can't be combined with your Stamp Club order or your Facebook Friday order. It has to be a standalone order using that host code. That's the only way I'm going to know that you want this class. So then I will send you the projects, all 6, including the envelopes, the PDF, the video, and the puff paint for free in the mail. There are a few other things that you need that you might not have yet. A Memento black pad, a Coastal Cabana pad, a Real Red ink pad, Pool Party light stamp and blend, Pumpkin Pie dark stamp and blend, and a heat tool. You need a heat tool for this to work. Okay, so if you don't have these things, you can add them on to your order. And then the deadline here is September 27th, the end of September. I will close that order and I will start furiously cutting and prepping all your kits, and I will have them in the mail by October 4th. Okay? All right, so here's your host code. Remember, it is just a must. You have to use that host code to get these for free. And if for some reason something happens and you didn't use your host code, let me know and we'll call Stampin' Up! And see if they can apply it to the order for you, okay? All right, you guys, let me know if you have any questions. Remember, you can click on the link in this video to go over to my blog and read about everything that I just explained, and find the link to where you go order all of this. And the host code is there too, so you can copy and paste it. Thanks, guys, for helping me raise money for Alzheimer's. I am hoping that this is something that I can do maybe quarterly, because if you are a family member of someone who suffers from a disease, you know sometimes how helpless you can feel. And this is just a way for me to actually do something. You guys are wonderful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.